Have you ever heard of the Great American Truck Race of 1985? Picture this, a convoy of semi-trucks, jeeps, motorcycles, and even cranes, barreling through the treacherous terrains of the Rocky Mountains. The event, largely forgotten today, featured an eclectic mix of vehicles racing against each other on narrow, winding tracks and steep inclines. Each scene escalated the tension, motorcycles darting through tight passes, cranes maneuvering with surprising agility, and jeeps bouncing over rocky outcrops. And then, the climax, an excavator, typically slow and cumbersome, defied all odds by scaling a near-vertical cliff, its mechanical arm grappling onto rocks for stability. The sheer audacity and skill on display left spectators breathless, turning what seemed like an impossible challenge into a legendary race that still echoes in the annals of vehicular lore.